China, over the last 20 years, has moved to absolutely the forefront of almost every zero carbon or low carbon technology that we have and that we need. It's the low-cost producer of photovoltaics. It's the low-cost producer of wind turbines. It's the world's low-cost producer for the new hydrogen economy. It's the world's low-cost effective producer for electric vehicles. It's the world's low-cost producer for the battery supply chains that we need. It's the world's low-cost producer for long-distance transmission of renewable energy. It's the world's low-cost producers of 5.5G for digital transmission, which now becomes the backbone of the new power sector and energy sector infrastructure. It's the world's leader in fourth-generation nuclear power. This was not by accident. China took on this challenge. It really took on this challenge starting about a dozen years ago, very intensively. And in its technological blueprint, it identified these sectors as sectors of the future, where China wanted to make sure that it was investing in the research and development. It has succeeded. Now China offers something unique in the world, which is a massive manufacturing platform of advanced technologies for the energy transformation, just what we need. People in the US said, oh, well, China has overcapacity. This is not at all right. China has massive capacity and it needs to be deployed massively globally. I believe that the most important single program to do that is the Belt and Road Initiative, because the Belt and Road Initiative is essentially China making an observation and an offer to the rest of the world. And the observation is we will be better if we are interconnected through physical infrastructure, through the digital world, and aiming to achieve a sustainable development trajectory. That's the vision. And the offer is we will help to finance that. We will help to provide the financing, the technology, the partnership, the design, the connectivity, the openness of markets so that this works. I see Belt and Road projects all over the world. I was in rural Ethiopia a few months ago. I was taken to very poor areas of agriculture. It happened to be avocado growing region now. Why? Because China had built a fast rail between Addis Ababa and Djibouti, and because China had financed a major increase of power capacity. So suddenly these farmers had two things that they never had before. They had energy for their pumps, for their irrigation, for their harvesting, for their machines, and they had transport to carry their avocados to the port in Djibouti so that they could be fresh and on the breakfast table in Dubai the next day. And this was a breakthrough, and these farmers were making money, and they were expanding their farms, and they were showing my wife and me their new houses that they were building.
Fantastic.
This was really economic development. And this is what BRI, the Belt and Road Initiative, makes possible.